If you're navigating the Social Security disability claims process, understanding what a residual functional capacity, or RFC, is can make or break your application. My name is Kaitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. In today's video, we're tackling an important topic for anyone applying for Social Security disability insurance. What is residual functional capacity, or RFC? Residual functional capacity is the Social Security Administration's assessment of what you can still do despite your medical condition and subsequent limitations. It's not necessarily about what you cannot do, but more of what you're still capable of performing in a work setting. The Social Security Administration looks at your physical and mental limitations caused by your impairments, like how long you can sit, stand, lift, or focus, and determines what kind of work, if any, you could handle. For example, if you can lift 10 pounds occasionally and sit for 6 hours in a day, your RFC might suggest that you're capable of performing sedentary type work. This assessment is often based on medical evidence, like doctor's notes and test results, plus your own descriptions of your symptoms. The RFC is critical because it helps the Social Security Administration decide if you can return to your past job or any other work that exists in the national economy. If your condition doesn't meet one of the listings in the Social Security Administration's Blue Book of listings for a somewhat automatic disability approval, the RFC comes into play. The Social Security Administration will compare your RFC to the demands of your previous jobs. If you can't do those, they will look to your age, education, and work experience to see if you can adjust to other jobs that exist in the national economy. For an individual who is 55 years old with limited education and a sedentary RFC, they may qualify for benefits a little more easier than a younger person who has transferable skills, since there are fewer jobs that would match those capabilities. One key tip is to be detailed when describing your limitations to the Social Security Administration. Vague answers can lead to an RFC that overestimates what you can do, which might result in a denial of benefits. Provide specific examples, like how pain stops you from standing for more than 10 minutes, or how fatigue affects your concentration. Also, make sure that your doctors document your symptoms thoroughly, as their input can heavily influence the RFC. If you disagree with the RFC that the Social Security Administration has assessed you with, you can appeal and submit more evidence to strengthen your case. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below, or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.